Want to boost your sales instantly and create urgency? A countdown timer is your secret weapon. Introducing the Flash Sale Countdown Timer in WooCommerce. With ShopLentor's simple yet powerful module, you can drive more conversions by creating a sense of urgency that your customers can't ignore. Here's how you do it. Go to ShopLentor Settings Modules. Enable Flash Sale Countdown. Next, add a new item and enable it. Set the event name to Flash Sale. Choose a validation start and end date. Select Apply on all products. You have the option to exclude specific product items. You can add a discount type and value. You can also choose to apply the discount only for registered customers. Manage the prize label and enable Show Countdown. Here you can change the countdown style, position, and timer title. Finally, save settings. Now navigate to All Pages Add New. Add a title and publish the page. Then, edit with Elementor. Search for the WL Product Flash Sale widget and drag it onto the page. Select your flash sale deal and customize the order if needed. Finally, publish the page. Reload any product page and click on a product to see the flash sale countdown. Store owners who've used the countdown timer report a significant increase in sales, reduced cart abandonment, and more customer engagement. It's not just a tool, it's a strategy for growth. Ready to create urgency and skyrocket your sales? Set up the sales countdown timer with ShopLentor today and watch your conversions soar. Thank you.